NextWave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our Shark CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a Shark. NextWave CNC Shark HD520, built for professional woodworkers and passionate hobbyists everywhere. The HD520 is our largest machine in the HD series. The 28-inch by 63-inch aluminum interlock T-slot bed features unlimited clamping customization and includes 2 hold-down table clamps. The HD520 also includes a carbide V-bit, which allows for precision carving, and the 7 inches of Z-travel gives you the ability to create, cut, and carve thicker materials than most CNCs on the market. The HD520 is upgraded to V-Carve Pro software and features an easy-to-use LED color touchscreen pendant and our patented Virtual Zero, which maps out your project using specific reference points, eliminating most problems caused by imperfections in the workpiece. Also included is NextWave's ready-to-control CAM software for those who would rather operate their system by computer. The HD520 works with any standard router with a 3.5-inch diameter motor and accepts all NextWave accessories, such as the laser module, digitizing probe, 4th axis, and many others, making it an extremely versatile tool for the workshop. All NextWave CNC Shark machines include our Vectric design software, lifetime technical support, and an industry-leading 2-year warranty. NextWave CNC Shark HD520. World class. Made in the USA.